How to make $350 a day, selling ChatGPT prompts and affiliate marketing books. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful way to make $350 per day, selling pre-generated ChatGPT prompts and affiliate marketing books. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a content creator, or just someone looking for a new way to earn passive income, this video is for you. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more awesome tips on how to grow your online business and maximize your earnings. Let's get started. First off, why sell ChatGPT prompts and affiliate marketing books? Well, think about this. AI is revolutionizing how we work, especially in content creation and customer service. And with affiliate marketing booming, people are looking for fast-track strategies to start making money online. By selling pre-generated prompts, you're helping businesses and individuals create content faster, and with affiliate marketing books, you're offering valuable insights to help others grow their income streams. It's a win-win. So, how do we reach $350 per day? It's all about scaling smartly. Let me break it down into simple steps so you can get started right away. Step 1. Create or source high-quality ChatGPT prompts and affiliate marketing books. First, you'll need to create or source high-quality ChatGPT prompts. Focus on niches where people are hungry for content, like social media marketers, e-commerce businesses, or customer service teams. For example, you can create a bundle of prompts specifically for generating engaging Instagram captions or SEO-friendly blog posts. For affiliate marketing books, if you're not a writer yourself, you can buy PLR private label rights ebooks or hire a freelancer to create unique guides on affiliate marketing strategies. The key is to provide actionable and valuable content. Step 2. Sell on multiple platforms. Next up is selling. You don't need a fancy website to get started. Here are the top platforms where you can list your ChatGPT prompts and books to reach a global audience. First, there's Etsy, a great place for selling digital products. You can create listings for different bundles of prompts and books. People are always searching for tools that save time and make life easier. Second, you have Gumroad. It's another excellent platform where you can sell digital downloads, offering your prompt bundles or marketing books. Lastly, don't forget Amazon Kindle KDP for your affiliate marketing books. Amazon's massive audience is a goldmine for passive income. Step 3. Pricing and product bundles. Pricing is key to hitting that $350 per day mark. Here's how you can structure it. ChatGPT prompts. You can sell bundles for $15, $25, or even $50, depending on how niche and valuable they are. Affiliate marketing books. Price your books between $10 and $30, depending on the depth and quality of content. And don't forget to offer bundle deals. For example, sell 3 ebooks for $49 or a bundle of 500 prompts for $75. Bundles can increase your sales volume quickly. Step 4. Market your products effectively. Now let's talk marketing. The most successful sellers use multiple channels to promote their products. Social media. Create short, engaging videos showing how your prompts or books can help people. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Facebook are your go-tos. SEO and Etsy. Make sure your product descriptions are optimized for keywords like AI prompts, affiliate marketing guide, and digital content creation. SEO can bring in tons of organic traffic. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out regular updates, discounts, and new product announcements. Trust me, this works wonders over time. Step 5. Scale up and earn consistently. Okay, so now let's do the math. To hit $350 per day, you can aim for something like this. Sell 7 prompt bundles at $50 each. That's $350 already. Or sell 15 ebooks at $20 each, and you're at $300. Add a few prompt bundles, and you're over the target. As you scale, it becomes easier to increase your sales. Focus on improving your listings, adding new products, and refining your marketing. So there you have it. By selling ChatGPT